Sa bagong kalaban ni Claire Castro. Professor Maluti Kia is in the house. Is that a badge of honor that you are now the nemesis of the presidential information officer?
Hindi naman. Pero kung gusto mong turuan yung communications, kung gusto mong turuan ng paano ba ang political communication, political strategy, it's a badge of honor kasi kailangan natin turuan kasi yung mga nasa comms, baka akalain siya yung modelo. Diba? Mahirap naman kung hindi tama dun sa basic na lang napakahirap.
Ano ba yung offensive question?
Kasi nung kay Gutesa tapos tinanong sa akin, alam nyo ba kung nasan si Gutesa? Ang sagot ko, baka gusto nyo itanong kay Yusek yun. Bakit ko sinabi yun? Kasi when you're the spokes of government, you represent government, right? You represent the office of the president, you represent the state. So kaya ko siya binigay. Sa amin naman, wala dun sa gobyerno. She was offended by that. So, kaya dun nagsimula na, sandali lang, ba't ka ma-offend? Ikaw representative ka ng estado dito.
Pwede namang sagutin.
Pwede sagutin na directly, di ba?
Directly, yes.
Tapos sabi niya, mali nga yung grammar na sinabi, pero hindi ko na rin pinansin. Tapos binalikan ko uli na, why don't you say it in a nice way? So you don't insult the public listening to you. Hindi ba pag spokes ka, malumanay ka?
So communications 101 kayo, right then and there.
Paano maiintindihan ng taong bayan kung gigil ang spokes?
She was not prepared to answer, especially about not only Gutesa, but the facts and figures about the Ghost Project.
So I was so surprised. Di ba, if you're the spokes or whatever her name is, I usually call her the official barker.
Okay.
Right? So,
hindi mo maalala ang pangalan niya. Grabe ka naman.
Hindi talaga.
Claire Castro.
Kaya BFF ako ng BFF. In fact, during the interview, sinabi ko, yung BFF ko. So ang sabi ko sa kanya, hindi niya alam ang Ghost Projects. Ang punto ko doon, sa Ghost Projects, ghost nga di ba? May nagplano, may nag-alat, may binayaran. Pagpunta mo doon, wala. Ba't hindi makasuhan yung 482?
I agree.
Di ba? Unahin mo muna yon bago itong hahanap ka pa ng ebidensya. Ito ang paper trail nasa kanila. Ang money trail nasa kanila. Ang sagot sa akin, hindi daw niya alam ang datos, but isn't data, if you're the spoke, that's like back of your hand. Alam mo. Kasi anytime, somebody will ask you.
Right. She makes a distinction that she is not the spokesperson. Ayaw daw ni Presidente ng spokesperson.
Ay, nakakahiya naman ko rin kung ang spokes mo ay ganun.
Well, she calls herself the Presidential Information Officer or Communications Director.
Di ba? Pag information officer ka, data is like your lifeline.